Hello everyone, my name is Mandy. I'm here with Organic Mixology for our Drink With Us segment, and today I'm going to be making a raspberry Mochatini with dark chocolate sea salt liqueur. I'm going to be showing you how, so let's do this. So first off, shake a tin, take that and add 0.5 ounces of dark chocolate liqueur. Pour that in. There we are, 0.5. And to add the raspberry, I'm going to be using Chambord, which is a French black raspberry liqueur. You could use another raspberry liqueur if it's on hand, but I prefer this one just because it is all natural. It's been around forever. It's got a very deep kind of forest fruity raspberry flavor. So half an ounce of that going in. So since it is an espresso martini riff, we're going to use some cold brew. So go with 1 ounce of that. There we go. And last but not least, vodka. I'm going to do 1.5 ounces of that. There we go. To really accentuate the sea salt notes in the dark chocolate sea salt, I like to add a pinch of sea salt. It just kind of rounds out the flavor and really makes it pop. So pinch right there. And this part is totally optional. I also like to add 1/4 ounce of milk. Right now I'm using oat milk to keep it dairy free and vegan. Feel free to use any milk of your choice. It just gives you a frothier, foamier drink. So like I said, totally optional. It tastes amazing without it, but this gives it a little bit more texture and that nice foam on top. So 1/4 ounce, just a little bit. There we go. Add some ice. It's not the most efficient way to be doing this, but whatever. Here we go, it looks nice. Okay, cover on top. Ready to shake, and I will say for espresso martinis especially, you like to shake hard and long just so you can get that froth built up. Give it a nice hard shake, just like that. Okay, feels good. Top off. For this one, I am going to double strain. Not 100% necessary, but it does take all the ice chunks out, give you a smoother drink. So I got my 2 strainers. Here we go. Oh yeah. Look at that texture. Very nice. Woo. Okay. I've got that foam on top, and that comes from hard shaking and a little bit from the milk we added. And to garnish, I'm just going to take some coffee beans, add a couple on top. I usually go with 3, been into this triangle thing lately, but up to you. Cheers, everyone. Oh yeah, that's pretty fantastic. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and please go to organicmixology.com to purchase dark chocolate liqueur and all of our other flavors. Check it out. Really hope you guys make this one because it is fantastic. Bye.